Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make two easy frozen watermelon treats. We have watermelon sorbet and watermelon shaved ice. So let's get started. To make the watermelon sorbet, first cut up some watermelon into pieces. You only need about a quarter of the watermelon. And place the pieces onto a sheet pan lined with parchment paper. Then place them into the freezer for at least 3 hours until it's frozen solid. Once they're frozen, remove them from the freezer and add them into a food processor. Process it a little. Then add in some maple syrup to sweeten it. You can use as much or as little as you like, or you can leave it out, or you can use any sweetener you like. And add a bit of water so it blends into a soft, smooth sorbet. Then continue processing it. And scrape down the sides so everything is processing. Add a little more water if needed. And keep processing and scraping down the sides until it's a soft and smooth sorbet. And if you need to, remove any large chunks that aren't processing. Once it's a nice sorbet, scoop it out into some bowls and serve it immediately. To make the watermelon shaved ice, we first need to make some watermelon syrup. So cut up some watermelon into pieces. Add the pieces into a blender or food processor. And blend the watermelon pieces into juice. Pour the juice through a fine sieve to strain out the pulp and seeds. Measure out as much as you like and pour it into a saucepan. Then the amount of juice that you have, measure the same amount of sugar. If you're going by weights, the sugar measurements will be a little less. And add in the lemon juice, 1 tablespoon per cup of watermelon juice. And place the saucepan onto the stove over medium to high heat and heat it until the mixture boils and all the sugar dissolves, stirring it occasionally. Then remove it from the heat. Pour it into a large mason jar or any airtight container that you have. Close the top and place it into the fridge until it's very cold. You don't want it to even slightly warm when you add it to shaved ice or it will melt it fast. To make shaved ice, here I have a shaved ice machine. If you don't have one of these, you can use a food processor or blender to shave ice. So you just add some ice into the machine or food processor or blender and turn it on to shave the ice, and it should come out looking like snow. Remove the cold watermelon syrup from the fridge and pour as much or as little as you like on top of it. And it's ready to serve. And that's how to make two easy frozen watermelon treats. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.